There is our new resident. I don't know what kind of bird that is. Jeannie's mom thinks it's some sort of a mud something or other. So that's the bird, and his house is right up under that corner, under the awning. For some reason, he's standing outside of his front door, chirping. Probably telling his wife to hurry up. Come on, Annie. Get your makeup on. Let's go. We gotta go find some worms. She's like, honey, it's too late for worms. There's no more worms. He's like, yeah, well, I feel like going hunting, so let's get a move on. Oh, there he goes. Or she. I think that's the he. That's what I'm thinking. Watch, he'll fly up under there in a minute. Come on. There he goes. See that?